tired of being the bottleneck in your own business? Imagine a content engine that runs itself, even while you're on vacation. In the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly how I did it and how you can too. I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. I've helped dozens of business owners break free from overwhelm using automations and AI, and today I'm sharing the turning point that changed everything for my own business. Here's what we'll cover. First, I'll reveal the biggest mistake most entrepreneurs make that keeps them stuck working in their business. Next, I'll walk you through the exact automation and agent strategy we use to churn out content at lightning speed, all with almost zero effort from me. Then you'll get my favorite daily hack for never running out of content, plus a secret bonus tip that will save you months of effort. Let's start with the problem. Before using automations and agents, my team and I would create all this content, and then it would just sit there. I was still the bottleneck. The emails, uploads, and little admin tasks always needed my input. And honestly, those boring, mundane tasks would drag on for days. Executive dysfunction in full swing. Can you relate? If a task required even 5 minutes of my attention, it could take me 17 days and 3 hours to actually do it. Step 1 in our solution, automations. Sure, we'd built out automations before, but they still relied on me to finish the process. If your business depends on you responding to emails, uploading videos, or giving approvals, you're still stuck as the bottleneck, even if you have a VA or a team. Here's where everything changed. We brought in AI agents. These aren't just automations, they're systems that actually finish the job without you. Now, the only thing I have to do is send myself a 5 to 10 minute voice memo, ideally while I'm out on my morning walk. That's it. The agents take over drafting, editing, uploading, and publishing everywhere. YouTube, Reels, you name it. Even if I only do this 3 times a week, we have enough backlog to cover vacations or the occasional busy week. If you're finding this useful, hit like and subscribe, or check the description for a free resource to get started with your own automations. Now here's the bonus tip. Pair your new content memo habit with something you already do every day, like your morning walk or commute. That way it becomes automatic. No willpower needed. And yes, if it's too cold for a walk, I'll record in the car or on the treadmill. That daily audio combined with your automation and agent flow, you'll have more content than you know what to do with. Let's recap. You are the bottleneck until you automate not only creation, but completion. AI agents can free you from the endless task trap, so your content gets made and published without you. Daily voice memos attached to a repeatable routine will fill your content calendar for months. Want my moneymaker GPT and the actual framework we use to clone ourselves and automate everything? Click the link in the description now and stop being your own bottleneck for good. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world.